Hey there and welcome to Dark Blue Nutrition. My name is Katie and today we are going to do a cozy core on the floor workout. So you can pick your favorite cozy workout outfit, get a little festive with me since it is winter 2020, or you can just do this workout in your PJs. Any of those things will work, and let's get straight into the workout. So we're going to start with a quick stretch. Pull your knee up to your chest and give it a gentle tug. We want to warm up the core, the arms, the legs, because even when we're doing core moves, we kind of move the entire body. Just a few more, and then we'll go into our next warm-up move. All right, next have your feet hips width distance apart. And we're gonna do some good mornings, so put your hands behind your head, bend straight in front of you until you get to a 90-degree angle, and then pop back up. Do this move real slowly, and if you can only go down to a 45-degree angle, that's okay too. This is your workout. This is gonna stretch the hamstrings, strengthen the back, which is also a part of our core. One more. Awesome. All right, we're gonna head to the floor and do some ab moves. Again, this is core on the floor. So this first move, we're going to lower down to your elbow. You're gonna sit on the side of your booty and cross one leg over the other, hand on your hip, and crunch up. So this is a little mermaid crunch, and we're gonna do this move for 45 seconds. I'm really starting to feel it in the lower abs. You also get to roll out your booty a little bit too, which feels really nice if you had leg day yesterday. Just 4 more seconds. 2 and 1. All right, lower down, hand on your head. We're gonna do a pointed crunch. So point that leg out, and then crunch in towards your head. We're really focusing in on this right side first, and then we'll do the left side next. So don't you worry, we will get to that side too. All right. Next, we're gonna move to leg circles. So circle that leg to the front. As we do more leg moves on this side, it's gonna get more challenging to keep your balance. Just hold your palm in front of you on the mat and hold yourself forward. You're gonna have a little bit of a tilt to the front of the mat and go at a slow and controlled pace. Now let's do reverse. So you're gonna feel it in the hamstrings, and it's gonna take some balance in your core. Amazing. All right, beautiful. We are gonna switch sides. So mermaid crunches on your opposite side. I don't know why, I just love these crunches. Regular crunches can kind of be a little boring, and nobody likes a boring ab workout. Ab workouts are tough, and we want to make them as fun as possible. So we're motivated. Just 10 more seconds. You're doing a beautiful job. 2 and and 1. Awesome. Keep it up. All right, we're going to lay down on this left side or whatever side you're on. And we're gonna do those pointed toe crunches. So crunch up to the opposite side. Have a smile on while you're doing it. I know it burns, but you're gonna feel so proud of yourself once you've completed this workout. And I really encourage you to pair this with another Dark Blue Nutrition workout. We have a lot of them on the channel, and we have some holiday themed ones coming up too, which I think you'll really love. 2 more. 2 and 1. All right, you know what's next. Leg circles to the front. Keep it up. We're about to switch sides. 2 and 1. All right, to the back of your mat. It's normal if you have a little more of an easy time balancing on one side than the other. The more your muscles practice, the better you'll get. So don't give up. 2 more. 2 and 1. All right, so we are going to get into a tabletop position. So palms on the mat, knees on the mat, and then we're going to just do a nice little kickback. And yes, this is the core workout, but this move right here is also helping to work your back, which is part of your core. And hey, with a strong core, we gotta have a strong booty too. All right, let's swap sides. So left side. Really press up at the top. Feel it in your booty, feel it in your hamstrings. You got this, 15 more seconds. All right, now we're gonna flip it onto your booty. We are gonna do reverse tabletop lifts. So palms behind you, bent knees, and push up to the ceiling. This one feels so good on the booty, on the core. You get a little stretch in your biceps too. And try to just lift those hips to the sky. 10 more seconds. You got this. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Fantastic. So next move, we're gonna do a plank to dolphin pose. So put those forearms on the mat. You can clasp your hands together if that helps. Push that booty to the sky. And then back to a plank. This one is very difficult, so go slow. If you wanted to modify and make things a little easier, you can always do a regular plank position and just push back up. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Now let's move back into your plank if you change positions, and we're gonna tap it out. Tap those knees to the yoga mat. Slow and controlled. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Those were intense. Now, we are gonna move into one of my favorite moves, tabletop position, rainbow booty kicks. We're gonna start with that right leg, pulse that booty to the sky, make that rainbow shape. This gives a good stretch to your back, your booty, and it also works the booty. Just a few more on this side. 2 more. And 1. Switch sides. You did such an amazing job on this workout. I'm so proud of you. And I hope you're proud of yourself, because there is so much dedication that it takes to stay consistent with a workout routine. 5 more seconds on this side. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh my God, such a great job. Now let's go into a child's pose. Stretch it out. Palms float to the top of your mat. And just lay with me for a second. It feels so good to take care of yourself. And sometimes it can feel selfish, but you can't pour from an empty cup. You have to take care of you first, and then you can take better care of your friends, your family, your children, and everyone around you. All right, let's stretch it out. Left arm up to the sky. Stretch to the opposite side. I know I had a hard time doing ab moves before because I just really never felt strong in my abs. Let's switch sides. And so it led me not to want to work them. But I always try to have a more gentle approach and really reframe those thoughts into something more positive and uplifting for myself. Let's stretch your left arm across your body. And one example of that could be, I'm making time for myself and I am strong. That can be a good affirmation for yourself after a workout, even if it's a workout that you don't feel so confident in. Let's switch sides. So next time you feel down on yourself because you feel like you're not where you're at strength-wise, remind yourself that you're strong, beautiful, and that you are on your own self-paced journey, and you will get to those strength goals that you want. And it's just gonna take time, but you are on your way. And I'm so proud of you. The dark blue community is proud of you, and you should be proud of you. So I hope you enjoyed this workout. I'm gonna leave some more workouts in the end card for you to try after this or try tomorrow. I hope you enjoy these dark blue nutrition workouts, and make sure to comment below and tell me what you'd like to see next. Either tell me what theme you want next time, tell me what's your favorite type of workout, or tell me what you want to work, like your abs, your booty, your arms, anything like that. And I will see you in the next workout. Have a beautiful, amazing day.